Shopify just got a major upgrade. With their new AI, you can now build a Shopify store just like this one, quicker and easier than ever before. And in this 10-minute beginner's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through it step by step. Adding products instantly with AI, auto-designing your storefront, setting up payments and shipping, and then launching your store live. By the end, you'll have your first Shopify store built, designed, and ready to sell, even if you've never touched Shopify before. So let's dive straight in. First things first, let's set up your Shopify account. Hit that top link in the description to get your free trial and lock in the best deal, $1 a month for the first 3 months. And then on this page, just pop in your email and hit Start Free Trial. Next, create a password and hit Create Shopify Account. Now, Shopify will now ask for payment details to secure that $1 a month deal. Just fill those in and hit subscribe for $1. You'll also be asked for your address, so just pop that in, and remember you can always update this later. Now you're going to see Shopify's plan options. So if you're just starting out, the basic plan is really all you need. It's $1 a month for the first 3 months, and then it renews at $25 a month. And you can always upgrade later as your business grows. So click Try Basic. On the next screen, click Add Later for business address, and then let's go ahead and skip Customize Setup. And that really is it. You're inside your Shopify dashboard. Now think of this as your command center for everything we're about to build. And now let's just give our store a name. To do that, you click on Add Store Name here at the top. I'll call mine Flex Gear, and you can change this name anytime. And then hit Save. Alright, so now let's add your first product so you can actually see your store take shape. So go ahead and click Add Product here, and that opens up the product form. Now it might look like a lot, but don't worry. You really only need 4 things to get started: a title, a description, an image, and a price. And here is where Shopify's AI is going to come along and make life so much easier for us as well. So first, in this title box, type in your product name. So for this demo, I'll put Performance Training T-shirt. Next, let's do the description. So you can type it out yourself, or you can let Shopify's AI do it for you. Just click the sparkle icon and then add a couple of keywords. So for me, that's going to be lightweight fit and breathable fabric. If you're selling candles, for example, then you might say lavender scent or hand poured, or maybe it's headphones. Then you would say noise cancelling and wireless. Next, choose a tone, and you can pick from the list or you can add your own. I'll go with persuasive and then hit generate. And just like that, the AI writes your product description for you. And if you don't like it, then you can regenerate as many times as you want. Once you're happy, hit keep. So now let's add our product images. Click this box and you can either upload your own photos and videos or use Shopify's AI image generator. For now, I'll just add images I already have. And now let's scroll down and set your price. And here's a quick pro tip. If you want to run, say, a Black Friday sale or a summer sale, then you can use the compare at price field here. And then Shopify will show the old price crossed out with your new sale price right next to it. You can also track stock with the quantity field or add variants like sizes and colors if your product comes in multiple options. And then once that's done, scroll down and hit save. So now your product's live, it's time for the fun part, actually designing your store with AI. So click home to get back to the dashboard, and now look for where it says design your store. And you'll see Shopify has already written a quick one-liner about your business, and that's what the AI is going to use to generate your store design. So if this doesn't sound right, then feel free to go through and tweak it to better describe what your store is about. Now hit generate. So in the past, you had to dig through the theme store. You'd have to go through and pick a theme and customize every detail by hand. But now Shopify does it for you in seconds. You've got layouts, colors, headlines, images, and even content customized for you. So now go through and then preview these demos and then just pick the one that feels right. And once you've found it, click Try Theme. Then once that's installed, click Customize, and now let's make it yours. Let's start with the logo. On the left, click Theme Settings, so this little cog icon here, and next to logo, hit Select. So if you already have a logo, go ahead and upload it here, or you can let Shopify's AI generate one for you. So for my logo, I'll just put Create a logo for a cool fitness apparel brand called Flex Gear. Hit send, and in a couple of seconds, boom, a custom logo. I'm going to hit keep and then done. And just like that, it's live at the top of my store. And changing text is just as easy. So you click on any headline and type in whatever you want. I'm going to change mine to built for training. Done. And before we move on, let's click catalog in the menu and give our product page a quick polish. I'm going to set the image ratio to square so that the photos line up nicely, and switch quick add to bulk so customers can pick how many they want straight from the page. Then, once you're happy with the look, click publish, then save, and your store design is now live. So now your store looks the part, but let's now make sure that you can actually take orders, get paid, and ship orders out. Head to settings and then click payments. Now by default, Shopify already connects you with Shopify payments. So that means you can take payment by credit cards, Apple Pay, and Google Pay right away. All you need to do is complete account setup, drop in your details, and you're good to go. And if you'd like PayPal as well, then you just connect your account right here. Next, head to shipping and delivery, and here's where you set your shipping rates, whether that's free shipping, flat rates for the US, or international and express options. Obviously, it's completely flexible and it's up to you how you want to run your store. And one last thing before we launch, legal pages. And do not worry, you do not need a law degree to do this because Shopify gives you ready-made templates for everything you need. Just head to policies, and then you're going to see privacy policy, refund policy, and terms of service. Just click insert template and Shopify fills them in for you. Now you might just want to go through and adjust the bits that matter, like your refund policy or your shipping details, that kind of thing. And the good thing is Shopify automatically adds these pages to your store footer. So it not only looks professional, but it also keeps ad platforms like Facebook and Google happy as well. And with that, your legal pages are done. Now, while we're here, it's probably worth quickly checking your store details. So head into General and make sure things like your contact info and currency are set correctly. It takes less than a minute, and trust me, it's going to save you a lot of hassle later on. All right, here we are on the last step. So let's take your store live. From your Shopify dashboard, head to Online Store and then click Preferences. And at the top here, you want to switch off the password protection toggle, hit save, and that is it. Your store is now live and open for business. Now, if you want to take it a step further, let's talk domains. Click Settings and then Domains. And Shopify, as you can see, gives you a free myshopify.com link to start with. But if you would rather have your own branded web address, like flexgear.com, then this is where you can buy it or connect it right inside Shopify. Now, this is completely optional, but I do think adding your own domain makes your store easier to find, easier to remember, and instantly makes it more trustworthy as well. And one last thing, before you run ads or send traffic, you always want to give your store a proper test drive. So you want to preview it, you want to add a product to the cart, and even go through checkout yourself. So that way you're going to catch any issues before your customers do. And that is it. You just launched a real Shopify store with the help of AI in under 10 minutes. If this tutorial helped you out, do me a huge favor and hit that like button, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.